You know what drives me crazy?
We interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
You know what drives me crazy is when people use their phone to video and they hold the phone like this. Kind of like this guy. This was at my daughter's performance tonight. So if you're going to use it for Snapchat or Instagram or Periscope, then that's fine. Those apps are made for that. But if you're going to upload it to YouTube or Facebook or take it in a video editor and edit it, then don't shoot like this. First of all, the quality is just horrible. It's not going to work. The proper way is to hold it like this. This is how I do it. This is how I like to do it. I kind of go like this. Oh, and if you start out videoing like this and then turn it sideways in the middle of the recording, it's not gonna work. You need to stop recording, turn it back this way, turn it back horizontal, or landscape mode is what they call it, and then hit record. So it drives me nuts when I'm at, like my kids' plays or performances or whatever at school, and you see all the parents and they're holding the phone up like this and recording. It drives me insane. So please, video like this. I hope this helps. Please do it, because it drives us real video producers up the wall.